So when I first saw this, I wasn't sure what was going on here. I thought it might be some kids around there, somebody horse playing around in the road. Now it sounds like he just said to this one, as soon as he comes out, cuff him.
Okay, come to the door, okay?
How about no? Also, can we appreciate the fact that this one is standing at the ready, just waiting in case, and this one, not sure what this is about, why it's like that. Anyway, gloved up, got some sunglasses up here at nighttime, and not shaven. Can we figure that shit out? Dressed all in black, gloved up, looks like a couple criminals.
Come to the door.
Nope. How about come back with a warrant?
Hello, what's going on?
Nope.
What's up?
Come to the door, I need to talk to you.
Oh, so it's 2 o'clock
Okay,
in the
you're
morning.
talking right here, man. What's up, man?
I need you to come outside and talk to me real quick.
Nope.
Okay, why?
I have some questions to ask you. Come on out.
Okay, ask them. I'm in bed, man. You're scaring my dogs.
Come on out.
You have questions to ask, man. Just ask them, dude. I'm in bed.
I'm asking. I need to ask you in person. Come on out.
Nope.
We
No,
are.
no, no.
Ask them real quick, dude. What the fuck's going on?
Come on out.
Come on out for what? What are you talking about?
I need to talk to you. Come on out.
Okay, talk to me.
Come out here and talk to me.
You talk to me. What's going on?
I need you to come out face to face.
Nope.
Alright, man. Well, I'm going back to bed.
Good
Come
answer.
on out.
No, I want you to tell me what's going on. I'm going back to bed.
I'm investigating something right now. I need you to come out so I can talk to you.
Okay, well, ask me anything you want, man.
Come on out here and I'll talk to you.
Okay, well, I'm not going to, so just, I'm in bed.
I need you to come out here.
Why?
I need to ask you some questions about what's going on.
Ask away.
And I need to do it in person. Not through a big camera. I need to do it to your face.
Okay, well, I don't know what to tell you.
You can tell me that you're getting up, putting on your shoes, and coming outside to talk to me.
Or he could tell you to fuck off and get off his property. This is his house. This is his curtilage. How about getting the fuck off his property?
Well, I'm not gonna do that.
I need you to come out here.
So, I'm going back to bed, alright?
What's that?
I'm going back to bed.
No, come on out of here, please. I just need to talk to you for a couple seconds.
Well, let's just talk to me right now.
This one, I'm not sure what he's doing. They can't articulate why they want him to come out so they can talk to him. But we know the minute he comes out, this one's gonna grab him and cuff him. That's all we know.
I need to do it in person, not over a Ring camera. I've been over this. I need you to come out.
Why? Why do you need me to come out?
I just explained it to you. I'm not going to sit here and repeat myself. I need you to come.
Because he told you to come out, and he expects you to do exactly what he tells you to do, and when you don't, they don't like that because they're a bunch of tyrants. That's why.
I'm out so I can talk to you.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm in bed, so I'm going back to sleep. You're scaring my dogs.
I need you to come out.
For what?
I just explained it to you. I need to ask you some questions.
Okay, ask away. You don't need me to come out there to ask the damn
Yes,
question.
I do.
Go back to bed.
Yes, I do. I need you to come out here and talk.
Okay, well, ask away, man.
No, I need you to come out here and talk to me.
Alright, dude. I'm going back to bed. Good night.
Whoever the guy is in the house, I like him. He's on my team. He's not bowing down to them. He's not gonna do what they expect every person to do that knocks on when they knock on the door in the middle of the night. Hey, I need you to come out and talk to me. Oh, okay, what can I do for you? No. How about fuck you? I'm not coming out of my house. I like him. So now what they're gonna do, he gonna keep beating on that door, and then the dogs are gonna get more aggressive, and they're gonna get closer to the door, and he's gonna shoot through the door. He's not in this video, but my thought is, fear my life, fear my partner's life, so he shoot through the door and kill all the dogs. Officer safety bullshit.
Come on out.
Nope. So now he's gonna go call somebody and say, he hurt my feelings, he won't come outside. He's refusing to come out, they said.
No, he's talking through the room. Get the Ring camera on himself.
Lock reset, light goes out, walk of shame, later losers. Go harass somebody else. Where's the other car at? Man, get on down the road, you bunch of tyrants. Come out when you want.